Web3 crew and I am back here again at Turkey, Istanbul for Solana Crossroads, where builders connect, visionaries meet, and chain never stops. So join me as we give you what's trending and what's hot here at FOMO, the future of money. Let's go! What do you think is the future of money?
So the future of money for me is freely tradable assets and cross-border payments around the world instantly.
I think the future of money is that it gets globalized.
The future of money will localize with Web3.
Definitely in crypto. That's the only right questions for me right now.
Para merkeziyetsizlik ve Web3 ile beraber çok daha iyi yerlere geleceğini düşünüyorum. Blockchain'in buna katkısı çok fazla olacaktır. Sosyal medya olsun, blockchain endüstrisi olsun, kriptonun varlığı olsun ve kriptonun geleceği paraya her zaman iyi yönde faydalı bir şekilde dokunacağını düşünüyorum ve para daha güzel insanların eline geçeceğini düşünüyorum.
Future of money. It's 100% on blockchain. There is no other way.
That's actually a good question. So working in the space, actually, I saw personally the benefit of blockchain and actually crypto.
Describe Solana Crossroads in one word.
Impact.
And networking.
Networking.
Exciting, unmatched, vibes. Vibes, it's all about the vibes.
Exciting new generations. Wow. Yeah.
Wow, big word.
Phenomenal. Bombastic.
10 more words, 10 more words. And that's it for Solana Crossroads, Turkey, Istanbul. Once again, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to all our social media platforms. PinoyWeb3.tv. I hope you had fun and see you again on the next episode of FOMO, the future of money. Bye!